and alone no. Abamu Ngozika. That's typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are all welcome back to my channel. Yes, Obnata we is in our room. No, really, we are going to have fun together. Today we are going to look at the Igbo vowel. Unlike in the English alphabet, we have 8 Igbo vowels. 8. So we are going to look at them. Iva ene banyata ata udaume. Udaume. Kendi beke for vowels. Okay? Yes, in Igbo, vowels are called udaume. But before we delve into that, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell. Alright? Yes. Ngwan, kaigaba niru. A, E, I, O, U, A, Okay, so we have 8. Asato. A, E, O, U. Now let's create words with them. Azu. Azu. Achicha. Achicha. Echi. Echi. Igwe. Igwe. Iga. Iga. Oche. Oche. Ọcha. Ọcha. Ugbua. Ugbua. Hapụ. Hapụ. Let's repeat ourselves again. Achịcha. Achịcha. Echi. Echi. Igwe. Igwe. Ịga. Ịga. Oche. Oche. Ọcha. Ọcha. Ugbua. Ugbua. Hapụ. Hapụ. To master this, stop this video and replay as many times as possible. Alright? Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.